Hey, I'm Aaron Marcus, and if you want to learn how to speak and sound like you are from London, you've got to watch this video. I interviewed Sandi Small. She lives in London, and she actually specializes in teaching Americans the standardized British dialect. And you're going to learn everything from what's the difference between an accent and a dialect. What are some of the physical changes you need to make while you're talking in order to sound convincing? Some of the biggest mistakes that Americans make. You're also going to learn something that she does that's really interesting that has nothing to do with physical changes, but there are things you need to do if you want to create this character in this role in a convincing way. You're going to learn if you want to find someone to work with, the kinds of questions you want to ask, things you want to look for. It's a great video. So if you're interested in learning how to sound like you are from London, you got to watch this video. See ya.